Good morning. Today I am going to discuss about diffraction of light at curved surfaces. What is the behavior of light when it is passing through a curved surface? Is it similar when it passes through the plane surface, or is there any difference when it is passing through the curved surface? Before that, according to Fermat's principle, the light ray always travels between 2 points in a path which needs the shortest possible time to cover. Light always chooses the shortest distance to reach the other point. During its journey or when it is moving in a path, it has to undergo reflection and refraction. What is refraction? Refraction is nothing but bending of light ray when it is passing from one medium to another medium. If there are two mediums, light ray is passing from one medium to another medium. For example, rarer to denser or denser to rarer medium. It changes its direction and it bends. Again, it moves in a straight line because light always travels in a straight line. But a little bit bending we can observe when the medium is changed. So refraction is nothing but bending of light ray. Here we observe the refraction of light ray is the same for plane surfaces and the curved surfaces. What is refraction? Bending of light ray. Bending of light ray when it is passing from one medium to another medium. First we see what is the behavior of light when it is passing. If a plane surface is given, when it is passing from rarer to denser medium, what is the behavior? This is the incident ray I. It touches, when it is passing, it touches the plane surface. This line indicates the interface where the interface separates the two mediums. Interface two mediums ni separate chestu untundi, rarer and denser medium. Where the incident ray touches the interface, here we get one intersecting point. There we have to draw a perpendicular. This gives or this acts as normal for this plane surface. This is a denser medium. The angle between the incident line and the normal gives angle of incidence. Now here you see, when the light ray is passing rarer to denser medium, after refraction it moves towards the normal. Here you can see this is the normal and the refracted ray is moving towards the normal. This gives angle of refraction. Now again for these plane surfaces, when the light ray is passing from denser to rarer medium, what is the behavior? When the light ray is passing from denser to rarer medium. This is a denser and this is rarer medium. As usual, this is the normal. This is denser medium. Incident ray. After refraction, it moves away from the normal. Again, the angle between the refracted ray and the normal gives angle of refraction. See the two cases if we observe for plane surfaces. When the light ray is passing from rarer to denser medium, the refracted ray moves towards the normal, whereas when it is passing from denser to rarer medium, it moves away from the normal. Now what we have to observe is, are these laws of refraction still valid for curved surfaces or not? What are the laws? Rarer to denser when it is passing, refracted ray moves towards the normal. when it is light ray is passing from denser to rarer medium, the refracted ray moves away from the normal. Are these laws of refraction still valid for curved surfaces or not? Let us consider a curved surface. What is a curved surface? Curved surface